What up? So the Beat is back. It's no more being neglected. I want to go through all the parts and everything, but it's super early right now, and I want to drive to the same place that got the quarter fixed, and I want to ask them how much it'll cost to gloss paint this black, along with the spoiler, the 2 intakes, and the mirrors. But yeah, I'm about to drive not far, like maybe 5 minutes away. That's why I'm doing this. And I just want to ask them. I want to get a price quote, because what I really want to do is just wrap it black, because this wrap job, in my opinion, you know, me and Jay Monet don't really know what we're doing. And I'm still going to fix a lot of areas. But after this car's sitting for, I don't know, it's been sitting for like almost a month, there's some pretty questionable areas that I'm not proud of. The biggest being back here. This could all be fixed, so I'm not really worried. But you see all this right there? I just have to poke a hole and then probably buy some more green, fix that. Really all the inlays, you can see for the most part there's a lot of lift. Some of them are really good, some of them are not the best. But if we're just looking at the car overall, like look at this quarter right here, flawless. Look at this door, there's no lift, there's nothing. Let me see, any imperfections, flawless. The hood, I didn't do a good job prepping, so you could see that. That's my fault though. But over here, flawless. Everything that is flat is flawless, but you know, some of the bendy areas, like even this door, like I'll get down, like there's no imperfections here. The car looks awesome. But then we go to the front bumper and it's, you know, some questionable areas. So that was our first time ever doing anything with had like inlays like this. The only car I've ever wrapped in my life was the Jimny. But yeah, I'm not mad about it. I think the car looks great. I also got this in the mail. Not sure if I'm gonna install it in this Beat, but it would go right here. And it's basically like a little hood scoop, you could say, trunk scoop. And I like the way it looks. I'm really happy that I'm going to go with black, because this kind of solidifies my opinion. I thought that the black would really pop and make it look good. And I think with the black door handles, the black intakes, the black mirrors, that being black, the top being black. These rims, I'm still indecisive. I'm not going to put the T47s, 37s on here. I'm not sure what rims I'm going to put on here. I might just leave them with these, but I think if this got painted black, maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. It'll look even better. But as of right now, let's just drive over there. Let's get a price quote. I have no idea what it's gonna be. I would say comment below how much you think they're gonna charge me, but honestly, I have no clue. So let's see. It feels good driving this car again. I drove it a couple blocks just to make sure everything was good. And I miss driving a sporty K. The van is cool and all, and I think the van is a great K experience, but this thing redlining at 8.5, having a really short shifter, like this is very fun. So I just got here. He told me to paint these two, the 2 mirrors, the spoiler, and over here all gloss black. He said $250. I don't think that's a bad price. I'm gonna ask my homie how much it costs to wrap it. If it's around the same, I'll wrap it. If he's telling me like $500, obviously I'll just get it painted. So now let's go back home. Let's start installing some parts. Now that I'm back home, I can show you guys the box I've been waiting on since even before I went to Hawaii. So in here we have some stuff for the van, some stuff for the Beat, some stuff that I'm just gonna keep for future. I'm gonna show you some of the rims that I got from Japan that I picked up in Orlando. But first and foremost, this is some stuff for the van. So I bought 2 of these. I'm not even sure if it's the right size. If you have an Acti, let me know if that's the same part number. But I got these because I wanted to put it on the front and the back of the van. I know everyone thinks that I want to get rid of it, but honestly I didn't. As you can tell, I installed a brand new radio that I probably listened to like 3 times. And then I got 2 of these. I got one for the front, I got one for the back. Now I'm just gonna keep it until God knows I get another Honda. I got an air filter just because, you know, you can never go wrong. Whenever I order parts in Japan, I kind of order some extra stuff just because, in my opinion, I'm probably gonna get another Honda eventually. Maybe an Acti, maybe a Street. It doesn't hurt to get a, you know, $10 air filter. I got this. If you know, you know. If you own a Honda Beat, you know these are pretty sought after. I got this from Yahoo Auction. I think it cost about $100. It wasn't too much. This I'm not going to install on this Beat because I already put the intake. But my next Honda Beat, that, to be honest, I think I'm 100% going to get another Beat. I'll explain it later in this video, but I don't know when. I don't know if I'm going to buy that red one. I don't know if subconsciously I'm ordering parts because I really do want that red, ugly, disgusting one in Virginia Auto Mall. But I have a lot of parts for the Beat that I'm not going to install on this one just because, I don't know. I think my time with that one is coming to an end probably mid-October if somebody wants to buy it. So I feel like, you know, I don't know. I didn't get to, let's sit down a little bit. Let's really vent real quick. I didn't get to do everything I wanted to do on the street because too many things were happening. Like life was happening, doors were being closed. There was a lot of things happening that was just annoying. So I had to get rid of the street. Did I want to get rid of the street? No. And then I have the Beat now, and the Beat is good. It's registered. Everything is good. But it's just, I don't know, after it just sitting back there, it's kind of giving me like PTSD of the Miata if you're a real OG. And driving it today, it was fun. I had a lot of fun driving. It works 100% fine. You guys know I usually do all my maintenance right away and the cars work fine. But it's September, it's getting colder. Do I want the Beat from now to December? Not really. So I think I'm gonna keep it till, like I said, mid-October, maybe early October, and then sell it, which only leaves me with 3-4 weeks left with the Beat. So I'm not really trying to go nuts on that one. I'd see myself buying another one maybe next spring, like 100%, because I have so many parts. Like I bought so many parts for that red ugly Beat that I never bought. And then this one was pretty clean, so I didn't have to install on that one either. But I have so many parts that for me to install on that one is kind of like, I'm not even going to really enjoy it. So that's my table talk, literally. For the Beat, we got this brand new front and brand new rear, straight from Honda. These are some intake clips. So if you have a Beat, these are gold, like the little duck clips. I got 3 of those. And then I got some black carpets. Again, this is something that like, I'm on the fence for. Do I even install this on my Beat, or do I just put it in my next car? So I got these. These took forever to get here. And then under that, we got some T37s. I don't know what to do with these. I think these are pretty overrated. I don't even like T37s. I just bought them because I know this would be an easy flip. So we have 4 here with tires. They're on 165, 65 14s. And they're in pretty good condition. I think the only flaw is on this one. That one has a little scuff on the rim, but besides that, they're good. This one is the only one that has the stickers on there, but you could buy those from Japan. But they're in pretty good condition. Same with these. I got these for, I don't know what car. In my opinion, I want these to go on the AZ1. I think these are like my favorite type of rim. I'm a big sucker for 3-spokes, and these are just baller. Like, look at this. These things are just so good. And they're used too. You wouldn't believe it, but these are used. I think I paid about, maybe $1,000 for these. I paid a lot of money. Same for those. I paid about like, I think 1,100, but these come with tires at least. But I think I paid $1,000, and this is a really nice rim. That can't go on like the Beat. I think this isn't worthy for the Beat. This I might put on the Beat. Maybe we'll put on the Beat just to drive around a little bit. But these Advans, look at them in the sun. Woof. I don't know what car this is gonna go on, but whatever car it goes on, I gotta keep for a long time. I gotta keep for at least a year or some months, because this is a beautiful rim. And then like I showed you earlier, I got this again. This really frustrated me because I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what it was supposed to look like. I mean, it looks like this, but it had 2 screws here that made installation seem very easy. It seemed like you just had to put the screws through here and then get a washer and just drill it up, and that's how it would hold. But I just got this blank piece for like $100. This was a waste of money. That really frustrated me. If somebody wants to buy this, hit me up, because this really pissed me off. I don't think I'm gonna put it on the car. And then I got this weather stripper. Like I mentioned, when I took all this off, you can see it got pretty messed up, and I don't want to sell this car like this. So I got a brand new one, again from Honda. We don't order any cheap stuff over here. And then lastly, and something I've been waiting for the longest, we have the black door handles. So the door handles are currently missing on this side, and then silver on this side. Today, that's something I want to get done, because that's the easiest thing. We're gonna change these to black. And I think I'm also gonna head to AutoZone, because I was thinking about it, and the wrap dude told me it'd be $350 to get everything wrapped that I want to get wrapped. And I don't know, this is kind of like a DIY channel, and in my opinion, I think that I can paint this very easily. I think I can paint this relatively easy. I just have to cover everything up. I'm changing this, so I'm not really too worried about this getting messed up. And then the mirrors are probably the only thing I'm worried about. I'm just not sure exactly how to do it. When I was plastic dipping it, that was kind of an issue. So I'm trying to see what makes the most sense when it comes to doing this. I know I could put it down like this and then paint everything. Or maybe I could just install it back on the car, and I'll be able to paint this side, and then I just cover the body of the car. So I'm gonna brainstorm on this, but I think today I'm gonna go to AutoZone right now, and I'm gonna see if I can buy this black paint that a couple people told me I should get. And if they have it there, I'm just gonna commit, and I'm gonna just paint everything black myself. So now let's go to AutoZone and let's see if they got that black spray paint. Oh, they only have one. I was just about to say I'm gonna grab 2. Damn, I don't know if one's gonna be enough. It already kind of feels light too. Let me see if they have any more, but my homie said that this is great paint. Found it. So I'm back home, and I want to do it myself. As you can tell, I obviously bought the black spray paint, but I don't know. I I could paint these two very easily. I got this figured out, but these mirrors, something to me that's way more important. I don't know how to do this. I had it like this on the box. So I put a bolt through here and I had it hang like this. I put a lot of stuff in the box so it could stay heavy, but it eventually just tipped over and then it broke. And then I was thinking about maybe hanging it up here. I had it hung right here, and I don't know, I don't want to pay that $250, but I think I might just have to pay the $250. I saved a lot of money wrapping this car myself, so maybe that $250 isn't too bad, I guess. I just want the car to look really nice. Like I've been getting so many compliments just driving this car so far. Someone said I drive the Luigi Mobile. That's a new one. No one has said that. It's mostly been John Deere comments, but maybe that $250 would be worth it because this would be 100% done and look beautiful. Same with my mirrors, same with the intakes, and same with the spoiler. So I guess I'm gonna just drive back over there, drop off the car. I'm gonna see if I could drop it off today, maybe pick it up tomorrow. Nothing has really gone the Beats way. If you guys remember, I spent $300 on this orange film and we never even got to use it. So I'm just gonna drive over there right now. Let's drop off the pieces. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to pick it up tomorrow. So I'll post this video today. Let's head over there. And tomorrow the beat will be essentially done. I just have to reinstall all this. I forgot to record an outro, but I dropped off the car. I am now taking the train back home. He said I could come tomorrow at 10 a.m. to pick the car up. So I'll update you guys tomorrow. I'm probably just going to end this video here. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.